Uh-oh, man. What's up and what is glorious, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls? As you guys can see, it's your host with the most, Paul Cantu, or in this case, Custom Cantu, back with a brand new customization and restoration video. So yes, we got some art and it's what you interpret it to be today. So if you guys have not seen me digging through rich people's trash, the original video, then definitely check that out because that gives context to what's about to happen in today's custom and restoration. All right, so basically in that video, to sum it up shortly, I picked up this chair. Hey, and look at this son of a that I want to match with a rug that I found in that video. So this rug has some giant like palm leaves on it, and essentially I want this faded and just degraded chair to come back to life and match that vibe. So that's what we're gonna do today. And also real quick, just please smash the like button on this video. Not the dislike, the like daddy. But without further ado, man, let's restore this trash and turn it into a custom Cantu piece of patio furniture. And all right guys, so it's the next day and I'm about to pull off the paper and reveal the chair. Now I 100% know that for a fact some of this green paint has slipped onto the material because dude, this tape just did not work on this like knit fabric. But hopefully it's not too bad to where I can't add palm leaves atop of it. And if so, I think I'm just gonna get some cream paint and actually fill in all the gaps. So without further ado, man, let's reveal this puppy. Mr. Andelio. Here is the chair in all of its glory, ladies and gentlemen. Hopefully y'all enjoyed today's video because it did take a while to actually create this magnificent piece of palm tree heat, and I do believe the matchiness is absolutely flawless. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed today's video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Again, this chair was $0 on the side of the curb, about to be thrown out, and I did of course have to make it match the palm tree rug one time for the one time. So yeah, man, I mean, hopefully you guys are inspired to grab some trash, to upcycle it, or do whatever you want, and at the least bit be entertained by this video. I'll see you guys next time, man. Live the dream, eat that ice cream, and here's some final shots of the chair in all of its glory. Enjoy.